Very good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the explanation of the yesterday's assessment, mathematics assessment. Okay. Now, first question. What is the first question? If the LCM of A and 18 is 36, the HCF of A and 18 is 2, then A. Okay, we know the formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Now, LCM of A and 18 is 36. Okay. Into HCF. HCF of A and 18 is 2 is equals to A into, we don't know the second term, 18 twos and 2 twos 4, which is equals to A. A is 4. A is 4. Okay. Now, second question, which of the following prime numbers appear in the prime factorization of 1580? Okay. Now, 1580. 1580. How it is? See here, 2 table, 2 sevens, 2 nines, 0. Again, 2 table, 2 threes, 6, 1, 2 nines, 18, and 2 fives. 5 table, 5 sevens, 35, 4 is there, 5 nines, 45. Therefore, this can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 79. Okay, in this question we appear the product of 2 into 2 into 5 into 79. Now, third question, decimal representation of rational number 8 by 27. 8 by 27. Decimal representation. See here, decimal representation. 8 by 27. 8 by 27 decimal representation. 8 divides with 27. Okay, keep the point and 0. Okay, 27 how many times? I think 2 times. 54. Okay, now what is that? 10 minus 4, 6. Okay, now 7 minus 5, 2. Now keep the 0 and here 27 how many times? I think 9 times. Okay, 9 7 63, 9 2 is 18, and 6 24, 243. Okay, 70. Put 0 and 6 times, I think 6 7 is 42 and 6 2 is 14, 180. See here, 6 7 is 42, 6 2 is 12, 42, 6 2 is 12, 16, 162, 8. Okay, 0. Again, see here, 2 times, 54 and 260. How many times? 9 times. Okay, 243. Okay, 170. And how many times? 6 times. That means 162. Remainder 8. And so on and so on. Therefore, 8 by 27, which is equal to 0.296 bar. 296 bar. Okay. Now, next question. Expand log 343 by 125. Log 343 by 125. Log 343 by 125. It is of the form log 343 minus log 125. Why? Because we know the formula log x by y is equals to log x minus log y. Log y. Okay, 343, how can you write? 343, see here, 7. 7, I think 7 table. See, 7 4s 28, 7 9 63, 7 sevens. That means log 7 cube minus 125 can be written as 5 25s and 5 5s. That means log 5 cube. Now this can be written as 3 log 7 minus 3 log 5. Why? Because we use the formula log x power n is equals to n into log x. It is the formula. Okay. Now in this case 3 should be taken as common. Log 7 minus log 5. It is the simplification of that answer. Okay. Now next question, sin A is equal to 8 by 70. Sin A is equals to 8 by 70. We know the formula for sin. Here A, B, C. Sin is opposite side. Opposite side is 8 and hypotenuse is 70. By using the Pythagoras theorem, what is that? This one is, I think, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is 17. 17 square is equals to AB we don't know. AB square plus BC value is 8 square. Okay, 289 minus 64, which is equals to AB square. 225 is equals to AB square. AB is equals to under the root of 225, which is equals to 15. This value is 15. Therefore, in this case, we should find out the cot A. Cot A is equals to opposite side, adjacent side by opposite side. That means cot A is equals to theta adjacent side by opposite side. 15 by 8 is the answer. 15 by 8 is the answer. Next one, see, value of 6 square 16. 6 square 16 minus cot square 64 degrees. Now this can be written as 6 square 16 minus this can be written as tan square 16. Tan square 16. 6 square 16 minus tan square 16 is equals to 1. Okay, why it is cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. Same as cot square theta is equals to tan square 90 minus theta. Okay, that means cot square 64 is equals to tan square 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 is equal to tan square 16. That's why it is the answer. One is the answer. One is the answer. Next one. Seventh question. 3 cot A is equals to 4. 3 cot A is equals to 4. Find the value of cos square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Now cot A is equals to 4 into 3 moves right side by 2. Take the right angle triangle A, B, C. Cot formula is adjacent side by opposite side 3. Okay. This value is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. That means AB value is 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 16 plus 9, which is equals to 25. AC is equals to under the root 25, which is equals to 5. Which is equals to 5. Okay. Now cos square A minus sin square A. Cos value is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means 4 by 5 whole square. Minus sin value is opposite side by hypotenuse. 3 by 5 whole square. Now 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25, which is equals to LCM is 25. Okay, 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 how much? 7. 7 by 25. 7 by 25. It is the answer. Okay, now same. Next question. Find the value of Find the value of cos 37 by sin 53. Sin 53. Okay, we know the formula cos theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus. That means cos 37 is equals to sin 90 minus 37, which is equal to sin 53 degrees. Therefore, cos 37 can be written as sin 53 degrees by sin 53 degrees. Both are get cancelled. Its answer is 1. Its answer is 1. Okay. Now, next last question. What is the last question? See here, evaluate 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 degrees. Tan square 45 degrees. Now see children, 5 into cos 60 value. Cos 60 value how much? 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2, see 2 by root 3, its value is 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 means 1 whole square. Now which is equals to 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square means 4, root 3 square means 3 minus 1. Which is equals to 5 into 1 5 by 4 plus 4 4 16 by 3 minus 1. LCM is 12. 4 3 is 12. 3 times 3 15 plus 3 4 times 4 16 4 64 minus 12 1 12. Which is equals to, see here 15 79. 79 minus 12 by 12. 79 minus 12. Okay, how much? 67. 67 by 12 is the answer. Okay, 67 by 12 is the answer. Okay children, thank you. I hope you understood well.